What's up, boys? Ha, we're back. Back. Alright, so I traded today. Somehow ended up exactly break even with the $50,000 balance. But I did get break even. Coming into the day, but okay, here we go. Coming into the day, uh, price was pretty bearish. Okay, but what I saw was we took out all these draws to the downside. Didn't really have much left, and then this was like an overextended trend, so I wanted to see price come up a little bit, at a minimum. If we go over to the 1 minute, oh my gosh, price of this beautiful little 5 minute bullish candle, and then coming out of that we got a little retrace down, which inverts this 1 minute gap, uh, and then following that, we got a closure above this high, which ended up inversing this gap on NQ. And the reason I entered on NQ here, which was actually stupid because my target was market open highs, which were right here because it aligned with this, it aligned with the 30-minute gap. And yeah, so we priced that in. I don't actually think it was a 30-minute gap when I entered, but I just wanted that as my target. So following that, we inverted it, and then we didn't really have any confluence on ES, so that's why I just turned to NQ, because the confluence here was like a closure above this high, I guess. And we didn't get that until after, so I just had that inverse, and then I took this, stops at this retrace low, and then targeted this high. And unfortunately for me, is we actually smacked the high on ES immediately, like immediately. So I was right in terms of that, but once we took the high, I went break even on NQ because, yeah, obviously you don't want to be taking something that could be an SMT, and yeah, we're just retarded. I mean, we're 132 points away from here, and then if we go on ES, we're only 10, so it's a much smaller move. 10 points is probably like 40 points on NQ, but yeah, that was kind of a dumb move, but we didn't end up losing, so I guess can't really beat myself up too much about that, because I was smart and managed my position once we took it. But yeah, um, get into some back testing. Let's keep this little profit going of November. Um, but yeah, boys. TJ Hart is look at doing this shit where it's doing 10 people on an island. Monday, November 4th. 10 people on an island and they're like fucking competing for 25K, bro. Like, I'm lucky gonna apply to do that shit. Like, odds of me getting in are probably like fucking none, bro. Like, dude, it's worth a shot. That shit would be fucking crazy experience. As long as he doesn't fuck. As long as he doesn't like fucking bend me over and rape me, bro. Just kidding. Yeah. 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 I fell on my face. I got up on my own. I fell on my face and got up on my own. I've been in the studio for 24 songs. Haven't heard this song in a minute. A minute, dog. Okay, not really technically bearish. Not really. Put shit down. I mean, we have all these lows. We're in higher time frame bearish, respecting an hourly gap, pushing lower. I mean, I'm bearish for now, but we're in like consolidation range on the higher time frame. Okay, there's our confirmation. Continue the short, or continue to be bearish after taking these draws. Downside, we're leading to the downside on NAS. Okay, we're respecting this, so this 5 minute will determine everything, but I mean, we have the swing low left. We did take a good amount of draws, but we go into the hourly, respected this 4 hour, respected this hourly. It's just looking like a pretty big dump, and these highs are much less achievable than this one low. So we inverted the 5 up. Okay. This is what I'm gonna wait for. I need some sort of liquidity to be swept on the 5 here because we took all these draws to the downside, and if we want to continue lower, we need to take orders. That's my opinion on it, personally. Okay, let's see this 5 minute gap here. Does that want to push us higher? Price in a 5 minute high there. Okay, we took the high on both, which is much less ideal. Let's see if we want to come and reverse off of it now. Okay, it's looking becoming chop work and later. Okay, now we tapped in that 4 hour gap. Okay, but still low key looking for a trade. Tapped in this EQ. Now we're rejecting. We took pretty big swing highs here. Technically a possible bearish SMT. If we break here on both. Dude, it's low key late, but this is so ass. Like running this wide of stops. Not really good low to take profit. I mean, the 5 minute just closed and inverted that 5 minute as well. This is a significantly risky trade. I'm not... Dude, once we take this 5 minute low, I'll just go break even, because I can't take that RR. It's so ass. Of course. See if the market just wants to hit a dumper. Didn't take that low. It's not looking good. Price is just chopping. Okay, let's hit that low. Break even there. It's just low-key looking extremely good. Huge bearish SMT within that hourly 4 hour. Oh, dude. We're gonna sell off so hard here. Beautiful. Dude, this is insane. Still floating a little bit. Bro, that was like a perfect fucking prediction. Dude, I love when you like execute and literally goes straight to where you want it to go. That's beautiful. Literally couldn't have predicted that shit better, dude. Well, 10 a.m. news. Presidential election. I don't know if that really does much to the market. Market open, pretty bullish. You have this high time frame 4-hour S&T. That also, we changed order. Yeah, I'm bullish. This is our leading here now. Let's throw on, dude. I don't want to take these. I hope we come down a little bit. Yeah. Still have one more high left. This trend is so strong, but I just can't take it. Just because of all the orders you took. Dude. Of course it has to be like that. Let's see if we want to have a little deeper retracing with some 1 minute comp. Damn, we took it, dude. We're just gonna continue higher. Where's that? Okay. Dude, I still think, like, this is intact. This 4-hour SMT doesn't technically get completed until we take it. Hopefully get some SMT. Can't take this shit. Unless we change order for right now. Bullish SMT. Bullish SMT. I have to take this. Put this 1 minute SMT low. I mean, this is too good not to take, dude. Very high probability that we continue higher. Very confident in this. It lets me take the order. It lets me take the order, thank you. Damn. That sucks. Inverted this 5 minute. See what we did. He inversed the 5 minute as well. We came down for a 1 minute tap. Still have that untapped draw, dude. We close above. Pretty fine. Damn, it's way too late. We're gonna take those highs though. Eventually. Equal. Wow. There we go. Bro, I was pretty damn confident in this shit. I'm not gonna hold you. Sorry. Pretty, I'll rate that a 4. Double. Bullish. Continues pretty, but I'm picking up. Already took at the index and we're in a bit of an extended structure just across those SMTs. Song's ass. Come down, please. Down more. Down, boy. The reason I want us to come down is because I want to take longs. So indexes are opposite. We're extended here. An hourly low. And then we just took out all of these. Okay, and then we took my draw to the downside. Let's see what NQ wants to do here, because I'll take longs here. Came down to that 4 hour. Beautiful. Let's see if we price. Okay, this is good. Price in that little high there. Let's make a bullish SMT here. Or not, we reverse. I'll just think I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute continuation, like in terms of a gap or SMT. So I could miss the entry here, but it's not worth the risk to me. Unfortunate. I just didn't like this. Fucking. I should have taken this right here. Okay, never mind. I don't even know what I would have done there. It just, yeah, it wasn't ideal. I didn't like the reversal confluences I got. Still could have traded. I have a pimple here. So I'm fucking popping. What is this, bro? Oh. F1C, nice. These days are usually ass. What am I telling you, bro? What am I fucking telling you? Watch this shit. It's gonna be straight pump with chop in between. Oh, am I right? Dude, I'm looking kinda right. Straight pump with chop in between. I've seen that shit so many fucking times, dude. It's the same shit, bro. Never trading FOMC days. Nice and creamy. Nice and juicy. Turn it down a little bit. Lock in, lock in, lock in. So, 4 hour rejecting out that 4 hour gap. Beautiful higher time frame bullish trend. We did break 4 hour structure to the downside, however. We are respecting some of the gaps, actually. I mean, just the lower time frames and where the draws are. It sucks that we just took out all those stacked. Just because technically it's a bearish SMT, so. And we just inverted the 5 there. I mean, I don't see why price would just want to leave that one thing. Let's check both of the 1 minutes here. Okay, see, there's no entry now. We make a bearish SMT though. Ideal. Oh my god. We inverse this 1 minute. Beautiful shorts. Break. Inverse. Break. Inverse. Break. Inverse. Another SMT, dude. Indexes are opposite. I take this shit. Just 10 AM. I mean, this is huge SMT. An SMT out here. It's still respectably broke hourly structure. We do have a 5-minute low that I think at a minimum that low will be taken. So just trade down to there. Worst case, we'll just smack this one low, but I'm pretty positive. I'm almost 100% sure we'll take that low, but yeah, we'll see. Just the higher time frame trend, kind of trading against it a little bit. But these two SMTs, oh my god, I'll crash out soon. So I need to switch to trade Zella. Sorry guys. There's that low. Now we could get break even very easily here. And I predicted it, now we're probably going to continue higher. I mean, this shit was right, though. Dude, I'm low-key predicting it so fucking well right now. Just like ass off. Dude, I either can do another week on this or be done. So I either one meditate or do another week. Nice and crib, man. Dude, I kind of want to. I think I'm gonna call it, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Just because I had a pretty successful week. I mean, that shit's actually horrible RR. Like I predicted, I've been like predicting the market exactly. Like the only thing was this. Wait, what was this? Was like that. Oh. Yeah, we already took the draw there. I mean, we did end up continuing higher, so I still predicted in some way, just take the later trade and loss. That was fine. Pretty good though, boys. Pretty good week so far. But that, boys, yeah, I was correct. We would have gotten stuck out. That, boys. I'll catch you next one. Peace. Oops.